Paralympian Angel Guion continues to inspire the nation after winning bronze at the 2025 World Powerlifting Championships in Cairo, proving that determination knows no age or disability. Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho has the report.
Paralympian Angel Jinky Guion continues to lift the country's pride after bagging a bronze medal at the 2025 World Powerlifting Championships in Cairo, Egypt. At 53 years old, Jinky, who contracted poliomyelitis at just a year and a half old, proved that age and disability are no match for dedication and strength.
Umpisa po ang polio ko is since 1.5-year-old po ako na-strike ng polio.
Despite growing up with poliomyelitis and experiencing bullying in her youth, she found hope at Tahanang Walang Hagdan, a non-government organization that helped her build confidence and independence.
Siyempre po, nung nagkaroon na ako ng ganyan, siyempre, hindi ko rin matanggap una. Kaya wala naman kami choice kundi tanggapin na lang sa sarili namin.
From joining friendly races at the center to accidentally being entered into a powerlifting event, Jinky discovered her true calling.
Nayaya lang ako ng friend ko sa isang mall na may panunuorin daw kami. So, hindi ko alam na pagdating ko doon is nakalista pala yung pangalan ko doon sa event na yon.
Her unexpected start led to an impressive career, including representing the Philippines at the 2012 London Paralympics, where she finished 6th overall. And this year, she added another achievement to her name as the 3rd placer in the Best Legend category, lifting 80 kilos, placing 15th overall in the Best category and 20th in the total standings. But despite her age, Jinky shows no signs of slowing down.
Sabi nga nila dapat daw mag-retire na ako kasi may edad na ako. Sabi ko, sa akin naman kasi as long as nagkaka-medal pa ako, why not, diba?
With nearly 2 decades in powerlifting, Jinky remains an inspiration for many para-athletes, a testament that strength goes beyond physical limits.
More on trainings, focus lang siguro. Tsaka kailangan seryosohin mo. Pag nandiyan ka na kasi, kailangan ang seryoso ang focus talaga ang kailangan dyan. Kasi hindi ka naman talaga lalakas pag hindi mo yan pinag-igihan.
Jinky is preparing for the 2026 Asian Para Games in Thailand while waiting for confirmation of her qualification. Kapatid Denise Valdesancho, we are One News.